Good morning, folks. This is Shippy the Explorer welcoming you to this station on another sunny day in College Park, Maryland. At um, hope you are okay and welcome, and for those who are subscribed members, and for those of you who are seeing this station and learning or being informed of something, I do encourage you to subscribe. But this morning I'm talking about life, and life is a precarious thing. You may have seen my tape last night where I said sickness overcame me like a volcano, and it's no joke, because I'm going to narrate narrate what happened yesterday. I left. You may have seen on the tape of the end where I was working and demonstrating how to change a faucet, and all of a sudden you realize that I said I'm tired and I'm overwhelmed, and then I had to put the GoPro down. Then I picked the GoPro up again for a minute or so, and still was tired. I had to turn off the GoPro and lay on the ground, on the floor of the bathroom. I was gone. Not gone totally. My mind was there, but my body and can't even describe it. Can't move my arms and legs. Feeling faintish and nauseated, and was sweating profusely, and so I thought I would be able to lay down and rest, and then maybe continue the work. Lo and behold, that didn't happen. So that's where the tape stopped. Well, it stopped when I finally came back home last night. But let's narrate the situation. I made the wise decision to tell the family where I was going, and that's one of the lessons we need to teach this morning. I said I'm going down to do some work in one of the houses, and that's one of the important things. Another thing was I had my phone with me, but when sickness overcome the body, when the sickness overcame my body, I was gone, folks. Not totally, as I said. Now, here is the narration. You may think I'm joking, but I wasn't able to tape anything after that. I lay on the floor and tried to recover, and when I realized I wasn't going to make it, I called my wife and told her what was happening. Couldn't even hold the phone. I just put it on my chest. And then I called the person who is living at the house and said, okay, I'm inside the bathroom, not able to move. They called 911. After about 10 minutes, the ambulance and the fire brigade came. I could hear this. Well, all I know is I saw men were standing over me. They couldn't even reach me into the bathroom, so they did some preliminary tests and asked me some questions, and they realized that I wasn't fully gone, and they said, can I pull you out into the hallway? They pulled me out on my back in the hallway, and then they started to do the EKG and the rest of the blood pressure and all that, and blood tests and oxygen and everything. They discovered that most of my vital signs were okay. So they recommend that if you want to go to the hospital or not, or should you just rest it off, because they don't see anything drastically wrong. But at the same time, I can't get up. But this time they sat me up, and felt a little bit better. But well, luckily, when I was feeling sick and exhausted, I had asked the young lady for if she had water, and she had given me a bottle of water, and I dehydrated myself at that point. All right, so we decided to say, all right, this is something new, so let's go to the hospital. They put me into, I don't know if it's not a gurney, but a kind of a chair that could take people from a small space and 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 up to the street level, because we're down in the basement apartment. They strapped me in and they tried to get through. One only had space for two guys, one in the front and one in the back, and then one in the back, and I'm hearing everything. Can't move, but I hear everything. One guy was, this is where the joke came in. He's in the back and said, "How old are you?" And I said, "I'm 71." He said, "Oh, you're young." Okay. Then he asks again, "Did you take your medication and all sort of things?" He's talking like a young father. And I said, I didn't answer him because I said, "Yeah." And I told him what was my diagnosis, because I have had this before, similar to this. So he says, "Oh, you're too fat. You need to lose weight, man. You need to lose weight. That's need to lose weight." So I was just listening to this individual and hearing what he's describing. So I said, "Am I too fat?" When they tried to get me up through the stairs, that's up the stairs, it seemed like when the weight caught them, that's when he started to make the comment. Okay. All right. Morning. Oh, good, buenos dias.
Buen día.
All right. Hello. Good.
You're leaving here, right?
Huh?
You're leaving?
Yeah, I'll leave in a minute, but you can go up.
Yes.
You know, I'm not.
I need to talk to you.
Yes. Yeah. 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 Yeah, so when they finally got me to the street level in this special chair, they switched me to the gurney in the ambulance, and then they slide me into the ambulance, and then they never strapped me in. And I heard they asked for dispatcher for where to take me, which hospital, and they dispatched him to number 7, I think. They wanted to go to number 5. I think number 5 was Howard University, and number 7 is George Washington University. No, not George Washington, Georgetown Hospital. Georgetown Hospital. Man, they were upset because Howard is just around the corner from where I was, and they were there cursing and saying they're hungry, and they just have them up and down the road. Why do they take them way around? Anyway, they didn't even strap me in. That gurney in the ambulance is tough, boy. If you sit on that for any long of time, you're gonna have bed sores. Anyway, we roll and there, and I'm back by myself in the darkness, and finally reach the hospital. When I reached the hospital, they took me into the back room in the hallway. The hallway was packed with people, sick people, so no space. So they finally took me to the entrance, the visitors entrance, the waiting room, and that was also packed. That was about 12. After I got called, about 45 minutes after, they put in the IV needles and all that, and then I showed my hand. See, that no joke, cause here's the arm band still on. After they put the needle in and all that, they get the vital signs and all that. Now by this time I was feeling a little bit better, but still not totally fully okay. So after they got that in, I did the vital signs and everything, and they said, "Okay, you can go back out and wait." I've been waiting in that waiting room from 12 something, maybe 1 o'clock, till something to 8 last night. When my wife came, I talked to them, and that's when the supervisor coming out and saying that they're overwhelmed and they couldn't get seats and all that, get beds or anything, get attention to the patients. And they're saying, I went up to them and I said, you know what? I'm feeling okay, and I want to take out this IV out of my. All right,
My son.
your son? Oh, well, Benito. I want to take out this IV out of my arm. They said they can take it out. And if I want to leave, I said, can I leave? They say yes. And I took it out, and I say I can get my records from some master files, and I was out of there. So that's the situation, folks. You talk about England, who is slow and all that in medical situations, but America is also overwhelmed in the emergency rooms also. And but what do we learn from this? Learn from this that you can fall out of this earth in a minute. 1 minute you're okay. I soon come. Yeah. I soon come. I'm making a tape. Yeah. 1 minute you're okay, and the next minute you're on your back, falling out. It felt like a volcano, folks. The mind was going, but the body was all weak. So we're gonna explore what is this some more, but I'm so happy that I came out of that place, because by 8 o'clock I think all I wanted at that time was some food, a good supper, some pea soup. My mind was on my wife's 3-bean soup, and when she finally picked me up, I asked her, the first thing I asked was, do you have any soup? And then she had brought me an apple, and I hit that away, booger away up through from town up. Now Georgetown Hospital is in the very exclusive neighborhood of DC, and you can see the massive homes and where the president's kids, St. Patrick's school, where all the rich kids go, and all of a sudden we are just somewhat enjoying that coming up the road, looking at all those massive homes in northwest, I think it's northwest DC, folks, and make it our way up to Maryland. But what do we learn from this is that at any moment any one of us can get sick, but another thing is that we need to be aware of where we're going, and maybe have some form of communication to be linked with the rest of the world. So at one point, all I could hold, I left the GoPro on the ground, the tools and everything were on the bathroom floor, my tools, my clothes. All I reached hospital was in a t-shirt and a pants, and I held on to my wallet and the telephone, and that's what I went to the hospital with. Nothing else, I'm telling you. So that's it. It was no joke. So sorry we didn't have the actual tape, but video of what was going on, but that's what happened. When I talk about getting sick, did get sick yesterday. So today I'm feeling much better, and as you see, I'm alive and think I'm well, and I'm gonna run the child to school, and then we do some other exploration. So this is where we are today, and we'll just boogie together. Let's see.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, wow. You think so?
Very strong, don't worry. Don't worry.
Oh, you can walk on it?
Yeah, what?
Oh, you say walk. Caminando?
Oh, no, caminando.
Caminando.
Yeah.
Caminando
Yes.
on pond?
Yeah, really, no problem.
No problem.
No.
Bueno.
It was I think some 12 hours, but no, 6 hours. Very really.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Muy bonito.
Yeah, buddy.
Wow. Looking
Yeah.
good.
Yes.
Solid.
Very strong everything.
You're testing for empty spots?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's what you tested
Yeah.
for.
Cuando no pure
No.
concrete, the song is different.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what?
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna, yeah, talk to me.
You like it?
Yeah, bueno.
So make you happy? We happy?
Me,
okay?
yo, ¿cómo se? Felici?
Feliz.
Feliciando.
Jose Feliciano.
Feliciano?
That's the singer, right? The,
Oh,
Feliz
Feliciano. Oh, yeah, mi canción.
Navidad. Oh, yeah. I like, man. So,
Yeah.
So me yo muy alegre, man. We happy too, okay?
You happy? Yeah, you happy, be happy.
Yes.
All right, so the problem, any problem? No problem.
No issue, right?
No issue. Okay,
So we good.
looking
Right?
good.
Everything set. My buddy Tino and my son Kenny.
Come on, Kenny, yes?
Kenny.
Uh-huh.
He's the junior.
Oh, Kenny Jr.
Yes.
Oh, buen venido.
Sí.
Yeah.
Ahí está la pequeña, Tino.
Mi casa es su casa. Solamente pequeña. No todo.
Solo el baño. Okay.
No, déjalo.
Bueno.
Okay, so I get out.
So we're ready
To grow.
for the grow, okay? Today.
Yeah.
I gotta go, and after I come back later.
Yeah.
So
But
you
he's
already
gonna
know?
grow.
Yeah, he gonna grow.
Yeah. And I'm gonna go and come back too.
Okay.
All right, so looking good. So when Mr. Trevor comes, he will
Yeah, he
will
finished.
straighten
The
up
rest
this.
is-
Yeah,
Whatever. After
Yeah.
grow,
yeah,
whatever he need to finish. So
yeah.
yeah.
So how do we clean it? Any special
No.
limpia?
Just water.
Just water?
A little. Yeah, that's how you have the
Oh yeah. Uh-huh.
easily.
Oh.
But we're gonna let you really clean, okay?
Yeah.
Today.
Yeah.
So after that, whatever, somebody will make a little dust tomorrow, so they problem.
Okay.
No, but we wanna
Clean
give
up.
it to you
Yeah.
ready.
All right.
So tomorrow they can cover really well whatever you need to do, put the plastic around or
Right.
do something else.
Yeah.
But wanna make it really nice today, okay?
That's
Yeah,
no problem.
yeah.
That's my shoes. My
No,
zapato.
it's
My shoe. Oh yeah, that plastico.
plastic.
Yeah. My grande zapato.
Don't feel we mess.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So okay, I still gotta go run caminando mi niño, my granddaughter,
Tu nieta.
nieta to a school escuela.
Hey,
Nieta. Uh-huh.
Can you stop real quick?
Yeah. Ready to go? Here we go. On our way to school. Wow. Seems like they had a lot of Indians here. So back to norm. I think I'm back to normal, back to my regular schedule. A little bit late this morning, but as the worker came in, I had to talk to them, and so you just have to call my doctor. This is what happened to when you get, if you have a family doctor, you just call them and report what's happening. So I'm gonna do that as soon as I get a chance, and talk to them so they can pick up their report. In America, we have a good system where all your records go into a massive database, and the doctors, the medical people, they're able to retrieve that. So that's what we'll do. But I repeat, sickness is not a joke, folks. It's not a joke. This body that God created, or some people think it's not God, it's evolution or creation, just is remarkable. It's a remarkable machine, and when it goes bad, it's like any machine, just falls apart and start to give you trouble. So as you see, guys are wrapping up in terms of the tiling, and it looks great. I can recommend that company to do the work for other people. If you're seeing this tape and you're in the area of Maryland, I have his number, contact number is available. And Mr. Gomez Tyler. Right. So when we come back, we'll just talk some more about life and all that, and maybe bring you more video as we go. But in the meantime, we are at our favorite intersection, and we are 5 cars back today, and some days we are right up front, but we'll continue to share the video, share some highlights of our life with you. So see you soon. Oh, can I record a little poquito? Can I record?
Yeah.
Yeah, he knows I'm doing video. I'm a YouTuber. I'm Shippy the Explorer. Okay.
Okay. Este es el grado. Ya estamos ya en el grado. Pure de grado, peinado.
Yeah. Grabo.
De grado.
Grabo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ajá. Dígale que la misión es que esto quede limpito, dígale. Es que él está grabando en YouTube. Dígale, vamos a tratar de que quede todo esto limpio.
Clinic.
Yeah.
Cleaning.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very clean.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
The side. So you have to do some every little piece, little by little. Yeah.
It's gonna finish the whole thing.
Okay.
You like it?
Yeah, looking good.
Okay.
Ready to take a shower.
Yes. Big one.
Yo vive en el baño.
Yeah. Grande baño.
Grande?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes, I like it, buddy.
Oh.
My bathroom is very three this one.
Oh boy. So this is update on the work. They have put down the what do you call it now in English? The ceiling. Eh? Not the drywall, the grout. You have grout. You're grouting. Yeah, grout. I think that's what they call it. Grouting.
Yeah.
That got a little wide though, eh? Yeah. This joint a little bit wide, eh? But this one. It's wide. Eh? That one right there. Yeah. Different.
No, ya cuando cuando peinado es a little different from wet. Ya cleaning.
This one pequeña and this one wider.
See?
So it's wide.
Oh, yes. No, the new one es problem porque de cerámica no exactly every time.
Oh, okay.
No, maybe a little, entonces a little down para.
Okay, yeah.
Porque the digo es perfect level.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Oh, is a level.
Yes.
Okay.
The cerámica no every time exactly.
Okay.
Maybe one ceramic a little 1/8 different.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Gracias.
Okay.
All right.
Watch.
Wow.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Good. Can't step on it
Yeah,
there.
go ahead. Only once in the sila que no se para en los primeros.
Okay. How about out here? Oh,
Ya later I put it this one.
oh, it's a carpet go right
Mhm.
here. Okay. Nice.
Yeah, buddy.
I should send you a copy of this, Faith. Let me see. Oh, well, you're on the phone, so I could bring you up on a video.
But I'm not on it. I'm not on FaceTime.
Oh, I see. I take a shot of it then.
Más de un millón ahí, tío.
There we go. Oh, photo. All right, beautiful.
Yeah, buddy.
Muy bonito. Muy bonita.
Yeah.
Bonito.
Clean and everything.
So these sharp edges.
Before, a little de sun, okay?
Yeah,
A little later, okay?
yeah.
Yes, es necesario, very necesario.
Before you go.
Yeah.
Okay. Today?
No. Tomorrow I bring the machine de Kenny.
Oh, okay.
Me talk to Kenny.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Mhm.
Cool.
Yeah,
Thank
buddy.
you.
Today no decirle que no se pare nada de ahí ahora.
Yeah, you're gonna seal it. Chemical seal.
Yes, decirle que sí.
Chemical
Sí.
to seal it.
Pero no today, maybe tomorrow.
Yes.
Or maybe
Yeah.
today. Decirle put it y clean is very good.
Yes.
Más strong the ground.
And then mañana you put the chemical
Mhm.
to seal the joint.
Yeah,
To
yes.
seal it.
Yes, es
Yeah.
necesario.
Okay.
Very necesario. Yeah.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay, buddy.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Shower time. So, he painted yesterday, and alright, so satin. All right, so this is update on the painting in the bathroom, one of the bathrooms, and okay, got a little mess here. Oh boy. All right, not look too bad. Have a little bulge there. Okay. Let's check in here, see if it's the same paint. Could have used the same. I didn't do this section yet. It comes back. We get a flat. So inside the closet is flat. Needs to put back the paint. I mean the mirror. All right, at least we are. Down there looks good. Okay. Right. Get in there. Get in there. Well, as you can see, folks, I'm doing much better. Up and going. And since I have the strength to do something, it's in the afternoon now. You can see that the construction work is going fine, looking great. And just to get some fresh air, I'll come outside and do some work. And one of the things we do in winter to get the place ready for spring and for winter is that you have to take off the whole pumpkin vines, because right away in the middle of winter we have this grapevine is blooming. So if you don't take it off if you don't take off don't take off the pumpkin vine, then you'll have a little problem, damage in the so let's see what we have. Let's pull it off gradually. Pull it off gradually and okay. So it doesn't damage the fruit fly. And after we draw it off, we get ready for next spring. After we pull it off, we just get ready for spring. There we go. You can see these plants are more than 30 years old and they're getting a little bit scrawny, but they still spring back up and produce fruits. And in maybe a couple of weeks or so, these will turn into flowers, and the bees, the actual honeybee, will be feeding on them. So that's called a grape plant. The grape plant has the prickle. So to get rid of the vines, we all pull here too. Next year I won't plant so many because it caused the plants not to bear a lot. Those two overpowering. Right. I'll probably plant one root. And see what it does. Ooh. There we go. All right. One more root to go. One more vine to go. Yeah, it ran all the way around here. Oh, but it didn't bear a lot. Well, we got about 6 pumpkins off of it, right in our door post. And here is the secret. Bird has its nest right here. Wow. All right. So this I'll just put in the pile. Woo. Wow. Put down this for a second. There we go. Use the wheelbarrow. There. Whew. That left a mess. Some people may wonder why we leave leaves in the garden, but it helps with the keeping the weeds down, and also good for the soil. All right. Okay. So that's it. One more job is to pick up the sticks that we had a strong wind last night, and we'll show you some of the big limbs that came down. With how powerful the wind was. Look at that. Look at that. Ugh. That's how powerful the wind was. So things you have to do around to get your place winterized in America, folks. So, see, I cut down this tree. Maybe if I didn't cut this tree, it would have got blown down and break and hit the deck, you know, right there. So sometimes when you get a thought of doing something, you just do it and done. So we'll just go and dump the pumpkin vine, clean up that, and come back and pick up the rest of the sticks. So we're winding down for today, folks. So looking forward to we'll present the end of this tape to you, and it will be the day after sickness, or say full recovery, call it that. That would be the name of the tape. Sun is ready to set. Look how beautiful it is, and that's the end of the day. So that's the east, and the sun came up from that end this morning. So it's east, no, that's west. So this is east and then west. So the end of a day. So for those of you who are in America, I say good night. For those of you in Australia, I say good morning. And in England, I also say good morning. So you're almost going up to 12 o'clock now. So Shippy the Explorer saying, hope you enjoy these type of tapes and learn something from it. But it's just showing life in America. So I say take care. This is your Explorer, and we'll say all the blessings. Take care of yourself and others. See you in another video of life in College Park. Bye for now.